Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. In previous session, we saw how to create project in Eclipse, then how to create package inside it, and then the Java file. And then we also saw how to execute the Java file. So in this class, we will see some more detail about this whole thing. But for now, this font is quite small. Let's maximize this a little bit so we can read it more in detail. Let's make it 14. Same thing with this font. 14, apply, close. Okay, much more readable. Great. Okay, so what's the next thing? So let's see what these things are. So I just copy this whole thing, going to paint. Okay, let's increase this font a bit more. So what we have here. So it starts with the package keyword. By the way, this is a Java reserved keyword. com.pack. This was something we call package name. Then public. Then one more keyword that is class. We just kind of examining every single thing we just saw in previous class. Public class, and again it's a keyword. Then that's our class name. Then one more keyword, public. There is. Then static is one more keyword. Void, one more keyword. Reserve keywords of Java. Then the method name. Then certain things. Then this statements. Okay, so it starts with package keyword. Then that's package name. Then this is also reserved keyword. I'm just calling it keyword for now. More simple. Class is also keyword. Then this is that hello CloudRaga is a class name. Then public is again a keyword. Static again a keyword. Void again a keyword. Main is method name. That is method name. What is method? It's fine. We will see in next class. And then some argument or parameters. Okay, so package keyword, this is package name. Then this is a keyword, class is a keyword, this is a class name, this is keyword, static is also a keyword there, void is also a keyword, then it's a method name, and this is the string args. These are arguments. Okay, so we just saw what these things are. Maybe all these are not making any sense, but that's fine. We will see all this in more detail, but for now I'm just mentioning what these things are. And of course, this line system.out.println will print certain things whatever you pass in console. So prints in console. This console, we saw that here. This is console. It prints the stuffs here. So when we give this code in your Eclipse that you want to execute certain things like this, so Eclipse will print whatever you have inside that sysout statement. Okay, so this prints this data. Okay, so we saw some keywords, lots of Java reserved keywords in previous class. In next class, we will scan about what we have inside this JRE stuffs and what is package and the stuffs. Thanks for watching guys. Let's meet in next class. Bye bye.